Hey loves, in today's video I will be doing my nighttime skincare routine. So if you're interested, stay tuned to the end and let's get into this video. I'm being rushed on the other side to fix dinner, so I gotta hurry up. So the first thing is washing my skin. I'm back in a scruncher. So we can do the washing of the skin first. Oh, and if you want to know who's rushing me, it's Ashton. Per freaking usual, it's Ashton. He's the one that's rushing. Okay, so we threw that back. And we're going to go ahead and start with washing my face. So after double cleansing, I'll go in with a lifting massage technique. This is what I do when I don't want to use the gua sha. I don't know the last time I used the gua sha, but this is just so much more simpler. You can just go ahead and use your index fingers balled up and just lightly glide them around your cheek area to give you a more lifted look. And then kill two birds and one stone. Your face is nice and slippery, so you have a lot of slip and you get a great cleanse. It's also great for removing stress. Like sometimes I'll just hold my hands up against my temples just to remove whatever stresses that I've had there. Stress actually lives in the body in different areas. And if you can find those points, those trigger points, this also will help with that as well. Once my skin is rinsed and fresh, I am not going to use any sort of paper towel or washcloth to remove any water. It's unnecessary to dry your face to reapply moisture. At this point, you should just go ahead and apply your hyaluronic acid to your very moist, damp skin and let that sit on your skin. Make sure you go down your neck into your chest area until that fully dries down, and then you can go into your next step. So now I'm going to apply the snail mucin, and this stuff is amazing. It makes your skin look extremely flawless, and I just love the final results. And I'm going to make sure whatever I use on my face, I'm able to use it under my eyes, down my neck, and onto my chest area. So now that everything is dried down, my skin looks amazing, but this is some of the most important steps. I'm going to go in with my different gel. This is a retinoid. I use this nightly. I've been using it for over 5 years, so my skin is kind of used to it. And again, everything that I am applying it to my entire face, meaning that I can apply this retinoid all over my face because that's how you're supposed to apply it, and as well as under my eyes. And yes, if you have not used this before, I would suggest starting out once a week, but I can actually apply this all over my skin and I don't get irritation, but I do sandwich my skin with moisturizer and Vaseline, and you'll see that in a bit, just for extra protection. Pro tip, retinoids and retinols have to be applied to dry skin or it will cause more irritation. Between each product, I would give anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes for the product to completely dry down so that you can ensure that the product had a chance to absorb and so you can get the ultimate results from each application. I never liked moisturizer because I have oily skin. I just thought it was defeating the purpose. But moisturizer has brought my skin back 100%. My skin glows now, the oil production is less, and I just have glowy, supple looking skin when I moisturize. So now I'm addicted. I go through a jar of moisturizer within a month, and it's worth it. To ensure under my eyes and around my nose don't get chafed, dried out, and bruised. I always go in every night with the Vaseline in those very, very thin, delicate areas where the skin is extremely sensitive and delicate. And then I'll go in with my Baited, which is helping tremendously with whatever dark spots that I have. I do spot treat because I have even tones in certain areas, and then when I get a breakout, there go Ashton. A job as a mother is never done, and I am on the clock. Okay, look at me multitasking because Ashton is like, lady, let's go. I'm waiting on you. So I'm going to take the faded and I'm only going to put it on the dark spots that I have so we can even those out. The faded has been working amazing and I do apply it with a Q-tip and just focus on the areas where I want whatever dark spots that I see to disappear. And once I'm done, that'll be it for my skincare routine. If you are dealing with hormonal acne at a mature age, because I'm in my 40s, yes, honey, I'm in my 40s, and I still deal with hormonal acne. But I've learned by cutting out tons of sugar, my skin will do amazing. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. And I hope you enjoyed this simple but very effective routine.